Nongbah Shillong kadang penkre ban pelong ya ka jengelai football ka bapau nam hakasen ka baning kong la pani pai ba ya ki lightly ki Khusnam ki beitanat jong ka ne ka lempung ya lekai ka ba shispa lai bulai jong ka Indian Oil Durand Cup menta ka sngi hapo Nongbah Shillong la pani da ka jing ngau sarong ya ka ne ka jingelang ka ba he hapo usoso tham auditorium hall Shillong ha ka jingdon rengkat jong menteri rangba du ka jelau konrad ke sama ya ka ne ka jingele ka men la ya don lang ru da ki he officer shipa jong ka jela o menteri rangba du ka jelau konrad ke sama ha ba jingkren ha ka ne ka sngi ulayaro ya ka jing persang jong ka Durand Cup organizing committee banwan ra ya ka ne ka jingele kai ka ba kongsan na ka banta ka jingyo jingmentoi jong ke nong yele kai jong ka jela baru laban rabro ulai ka jingero ya ka sorka MDA bakala persang ban kentu ya ka jingele kai sport baper hapo ka jela ha ka bana kalyang ka sorkar kan persang ban penlong haman lau snam ya ka mek halia game ban penslur ya kinong ya lekai ha ka ba ka Nongbah Shillong kan pauru ha ka ma football jong keri India.
Which means the different support we give to organizations, to different associations, to the MFA, and to different tournaments is also equally important. And hence in the last 6 years, different programs like the Meghalaya Games, which has happened only 5 times in the history of our state, just 5 times. That means in the years 52, 53 years of our statehood, Meghalaya Games was hosted only 5 times. And out of these 5 times, 3 of them were in the last 6 years of this government. In the middle, we had COVID. Otherwise, we intended to have it every year. And now the government has made a decision that the Meghalaya Games will be held every year. And every year we will change the location in terms of the regions or the districts where we will be hosting it, so that we can create the infrastructures in those areas, leave the legacy behind for the youth to be able to utilize it, and more importantly be able to allow our youth to move across in different parts of our region, experience the different cultures, see different parts of the state, interact with each other, and make sure that it's not just a sports tournament or a Meghalaya Games, but goes much, much far beyond that.